Hi folks, Jake of Jake's Famous Foods. Today I'm bringing to you our Memphis style dry rub. This is a wonderful product, and it's wonderful because what I did about 3 years ago was create a product that had no sugar. Now, you might think that's just easy to do, but it's hard to balance the flavors of spices in their natural state when there's no component that comes in and adds that little flavor enhancer such as sugar. So what I've been able to do is create that balance between things like paprika and salt and onion and garlic and so on. But this is made in the traditional style of Memphis style dry rub. It's really wonderful. When you use it, it creates a nice reddish color on the meats. It's absolutely phenomenal. There's no MSG, there's no artificial flavors in this. It's just pure natural seasonings. And the aromas on this are really phenomenal. This dry rub is available in 5 ounce and 48 ounce and 5-pound bag, and also in 10-pound bags. If you want to do competition, this is a phenomenal rub. For those of you who have issues with sugar, this is the dry rub for you. Flavor, functionality, absolutely fantastic for use. Also, we're doing a special on our website now that includes a new code. So if you use the code barbecue10, that will get you 10% off anything on our website, including this phenomenal dry rub. So go to our website at jakesfamousfoods.com, use the code barbecue10, and get your savings today. Thank you guys.